Welcome to the 10 Minutes Gold Mine, where every book gives you a treasure of knowledge in just 10 minutes. How Not to Die by Michael Greger, MD. Introduction. In How Not to Die, Dr. Michael Greger delves into the top causes of premature death and offers a scientifically backed approach to prevention. Through the lens of lifestyle changes, particularly diet, he explains how many of the leading causes of death, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, can be prevented or even reversed. Greger's approach emphasizes the power of plant-based nutrition and other simple lifestyle changes that can have profound effects on our health. Greger's philosophy goes beyond just improving physical appearance or feeling better. It focuses on how individuals can radically transform their health and live longer, more vibrant lives. The book is divided into two main parts: understanding the diseases that cause death and how lifestyle choices, specifically diet, play a key role in their prevention. He argues that with the right approach, we can significantly reduce the risks of many chronic illnesses and, in some cases, reverse them altogether. Part 1. The top causes of death and their relation to lifestyle. The first part of Dr. Greger's book addresses the various diseases that kill millions of people every year. Heart disease, cancer, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, and kidney disease are the top killers worldwide. Greger emphasizes that although these conditions are often considered inevitable, they are not. Many of these diseases are preventable, or at least manageable, with changes to our lifestyle, especially our diet. This part of the book offers an eye-opening perspective on how the food we eat, our physical activity levels, and even stress management can significantly influence the course of our health. For example, heart disease, the leading cause of death in many parts of the world, is often caused by a buildup of plaque in the arteries. Greger shares the findings from various studies that show how consuming animal products high in saturated fats and cholesterol can contribute to this buildup. On the other hand, plant-based diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can actually reverse plaque buildup in the arteries and reduce the risk of heart disease. Similarly, many types of cancer are directly linked to diet and lifestyle. Dr. Greger breaks down the scientific evidence showing how a diet high in processed meats, unhealthy fats, and refined sugars increases the risk of various cancers, including colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers. He explains that a plant-based diet, rich in antioxidants and cancer-fighting compounds found in fruits and vegetables, can help prevent and fight cancer cells. Part 2. The preventive power of plant-based eating. One of the most powerful tools we have to prevent disease, according to Dr. Greger, is the food we eat. The second part of How Not to Die highlights the importance of a plant-based, whole food diet, which is abundant in nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Dr. Greger discusses the importance of including a variety of foods in your diet to obtain all the essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients needed for optimal health. He promotes the consumption of foods like leafy greens, berries, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein, all of which play a key role in preventing disease. Unlike processed foods, which are high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, plant-based foods are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them ideal for long-term health. Greger also emphasizes the need for a balanced approach to eating. While fruits and vegetables are incredibly important, he stresses the benefits of eating a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. For example, beans and lentils are excellent sources of plant protein, while nuts and seeds provide healthy fats. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are also crucial for maintaining healthy digestion and overall wellness. Dr. Greger's advice isn't about completely eliminating all animal products but rather focusing on incorporating more plant-based foods into our meals. He also introduces the concept of the daily dozen, which is a checklist of 12 food groups that Dr. Greger believes everyone should consume daily for optimal health. The daily dozen includes foods like beans, berries, greens, seeds, and exercise. By making small, consistent changes in what you eat, you can significantly improve your health and lower your risk of chronic diseases. Dr. Greger's focus is on sustainable habits that you can implement gradually, making long-term changes that will positively impact your health. Part 3. Practical tips for implementing a plant-based lifestyle. In addition to offering the science behind plant-based nutrition, Dr. Greger provides practical tips for readers looking to transition to a healthier lifestyle. He encourages readers to start by making small, manageable changes rather than attempting a complete overhaul of their diet overnight. For example, you can begin by replacing one meal a day with a plant-based option, such as a veggie stir-fry or a salad with beans, and gradually incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet over time. Another important aspect of Dr. Greger's advice is to avoid processed foods, even if they are labeled as healthy. Many processed plant-based foods, such as vegan junk food, are packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Instead, focus on whole foods that are nutrient-dense and unprocessed. He suggests making simple dishes at home with fresh, whole ingredients to ensure you're getting the most nutrients from your meals. Greger also highlights the importance of mindful eating, which involves paying attention to what you're putting into your body and eating with intention. Mindful eating encourages you to savor your food and enjoy the eating experience, rather than mindlessly consuming food without thinking about its nutritional value. Part 4. Tackling common objections to a plant-based diet. Dr. Greger recognizes that many people are hesitant to adopt a plant-based diet, and he addresses common concerns head-on. One of the most frequent objections is the fear of not getting enough protein. However, Dr. Greger points out that plant-based sources of protein, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa, provide all the protein your body needs without the negative health effects associated with animal protein. Another common concern is the cost of plant-based eating. Dr. Greger explains that plant-based foods, such as beans, lentils, and vegetables, are often much cheaper than meat and dairy products. Not only can plant-based eating save you money at the grocery store, but it can also save you money in the long run by preventing costly medical bills associated with chronic diseases. Dr. Greger also addresses the misconception that plant-based diets are difficult to follow. He explains that with a little planning and preparation, eating plant-based meals can be just as convenient and satisfying as eating meat-based meals. By having a few simple, go-to recipes and keeping a variety of plant-based foods in your kitchen, you can easily create meals that are both delicious and nutritious. Part 5. Integrating healthy habits into your life. While diet is a key factor in preventing chronic diseases, Dr. Greger emphasizes that other lifestyle factors play a crucial role in maintaining good health. He advocates for regular physical activity, stress management, and getting enough sleep. These factors not only help prevent disease but also improve your overall quality of life. In addition to diet, Dr. Greger encourages people to make time for daily exercise, whether it's walking, running, or doing yoga. Exercise helps to improve cardiovascular health, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce stress. He also advises managing stress through techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and relaxation exercises, as chronic stress can contribute to a range of health problems. Adequate sleep is another important factor in maintaining good health. Dr. Greger stresses the importance of getting enough restful sleep each night to allow your body to recover and repair itself. Poor sleep has been linked to a number of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Conclusion. In conclusion, How Not to Die, by Dr. Michael Greger is a powerful, evidence-based guide to living a longer, healthier life. By focusing on a plant-based diet and adopting a holistic approach to health, Dr. Greger shows how we can prevent and even reverse the leading causes of death. The book emphasizes the importance of making small, sustainable changes to our lifestyle, such as eating more whole, plant-based foods, exercising regularly, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. Dr. Greger's message is clear. We have the power to take control of our health. Through diet and lifestyle changes, we can significantly reduce our risk of chronic diseases and live a longer, more fulfilling life. The science behind his recommendations is strong, and the benefits of following his advice are well worth the effort. So, do you think making small changes to your diet could improve your health? What's one change you plan to make first? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. That's it for today's 10 Minutes Gold Mine. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep mining for more golden knowledge. See you in the next one.